Now I'd like to just say a few words after an amazing week in Somaliland, and firstly a big special thanks to Mr. Hassan, a really special man that's made our week really amazing. Special thanks to Mr. Mohammed, really great man. He's been really nice to us all week. The sports minister, Mr. Yusuf, has also been amazing, and Fatima in Oslo, that's helped arrange this trip. Fatima has also been amazing, helping us setting up this trip. Mr. Mubarak has also been excellent, and just been wonderful hospitality all week. We will be back, and at the moment we have so many opportunities to be able to help Somaliland and help the people here. We've met so many people this week that would like to do some fun projects with us, and now we have to sit down and figure out a plan ahead. My colleague, a guide in Oslo, is also working with trying to implement some IT projects here, especially with the youths in Somaliland, both boys and girls. In Norway, I teach a lot of executive leadership and project management courses and workshops, and I hope that the next time I'm back we will have lots of workshops. So we have lots of people to help us coordinate these workshops and courses, and we really hope that the next time we're back that you guys can get 100% out of us to help the people in Somaliland and many of the youths to increase their skills and knowledge, so that the skills and the knowledge stay in Somaliland to get you guys more work and business. Thanks.
To have been here, and it's been an amazing week. Thanks to Mr. Hassan and Mohammed and Karat. And we've been traveling around and seen a lot of Somaliland and feel really safe, and we've been in good hands. And the hospitality is fantastic. Even the mosquitoes are great here. Back home in Norway, I treat a lot of sports injuries and teach a lot of classes in trauma medicine and sports medicine. And we are looking now for the opportunity to be here and train people to get a skill level of treating sports and trauma problems, so we can help people to work more locally here. So I really want to thank the whole of Somaliland. I'm looking forward to come back, and we're leaving today, but I will really miss all of these guys, the whole land, and everything we experienced. Thank you a lot.
A very special person that we met this week, and that was Saeed at Warab at the academy, football academy. And Saeed is he trains a lot of youths, and we really hope to help him as soon as possible in his excellent work here. So a really special big hello to Saeed. Thanks.